Malaysia's infrastructure landscape between 2027 and 2035 is defined by massive multi-billion ringgit rail loops, pan-national highways, and smart city expansions. Key developments include the East Coast Rail Link and the Johor-Singapore Rapid Transit System, driving regional integration through the 13th Malaysia Plan. Third Ring Road Metro Line is a planned 51-kilometer orbital rail project in Malaysia that will form the final loop of the Klang Valley Integrated Transit System around Kuala Lumpur, featuring 31 to 33 stations and 10 strategic interchange links. Roughly 51-kilometer total, split into about 40-kilometer of elevated tracks and 11-kilometer of underground tunnels. Designed with 31 active stations and multiple provisional stops connecting the outer perimeter of Kuala Lumpur. Features 10 key connection hubs linking existing light rail and subway, monorail, and commuter lines. Floating solar energy projects. First, Bestari Large-Scale Solar Project, a 300 megawatts floating solar farm in Bestari Jaya, Kuala Selangor, which broke ground in early 2026. Developed by a consortium led by Adra Power Holdings, it is Malaysia's largest standalone floating solar power project, targeting commercial operation by July 2027. Second, Kuala Langat Floating Solar Power Plant, a 60 megawatts floating solar project secured by SolarVest, aiming for commissioning by late 2027.
Mutiara Light Rail Line is a 29.67-kilometer light rail transit project under construction in Penang, Malaysia. It spans 20 stations and 2 provisional stations, connecting Penang South Reclamation, Komtar in Georgetown, and crossing the Penang Strait to Penang Central on the mainland. Construction began in 2025. Operations are scheduled to start in December 2031, capped at approximately $16.8 billion. Key stops: Penang International Airport, Bayan Lepas Special Economic Zone, Bandar Sri Penang, Komtar, and Penang Central. It marks northern Malaysia's first integrated metro and cross-sea rail transit system.
West Coast Expressway, Southern Extension, is a planned project to stretch roughly 153 to 303 kilometers further south from Banting, Selangor, down to Galang Patah, Johor, aiming to cut north-south expressway traffic congestion by about 27%. Connects Banting through Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Port Dickson, Malacca City, Moore, Batu Pahat, and Pontian to Galang Patah. Features key proposed nodes like Sungai Tirup, Parit Sulong, and Pekan Nanas. Planning and phased structural building span 2026 through 2031.
Malaysia's Port Klang Third Terminal is a mega project planned for Carey Island to expand capacity, boost regional competitiveness, and handle long-term trade growth. Backed by the federal and Selangor state governments, the phased development is expected to take nearly 20 years to fully complete. Finalized by the Selangor state government, paving the way for initial development phases. Built through a private sector partnership using a build, operate, transfer, and privatization approach, execution occurs across multiple phases over 2 decades to match capacity demands in the Straits of Malacca. Aims to position Malaysia as a leading maritime center in Southeast Asia. Supplements existing terminals as current port facilities approach maximum usage. National Grid Modernization Upgrade. Malaysia is undertaking a massive 43 billion ringgit National Grid Modernization Program through state utility Tenaga Nasional Berhad, running from 2025 through 2027. The upgrade integrates artificial intelligence, and battery energy storage systems to support surging power demands from data centers, digital infrastructure, and renewable energy integration. Accommodating rapid growth from dozens of new hyperscale data centers concentrated in hubs like Johor and Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur Singapore High-Speed Rail. The Kuala Lumpur-Singapore High-Speed Rail is a proposed 350-kilometer rail line designed to link Malaysia's capital to Singapore in just 90 minutes. First agreed upon in 2013 and delayed or restructured multiple times, the project remains under active review. Total length, 350 kilometers, 335 kilometers in Malaysia, 15 kilometers in Singapore. Speed reaches up to 320 kilometers per hour, or 200 miles per hour. Planned stations in Malaysia: Bandar Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Sepang Putrajaya, Seremban, Malacca, Ayer Keroh, Moore, Batu Pahat, Iskandar Putri.
Pan-Borneo Highway, Phase 1B and Phase 2 in Sabah, Malaysia, form critical continuation segments of the wider 2,326-kilometer East Malaysian network. Phase 1B spans 388 kilometers across 19 work packages, costing roughly 13.9 billion Riyat, with an expected completion by late 2028.
while Phase 2, covering the 96-kilometer Tampurali-Ranau stretch, remains in preliminary planning and design stages, covers 388 kilometers split into 19 distinct work packages. Scheduled for completion by the fourth quarter of 2028. Valued at approximately $13.989 billion, progress has faced localized delays due to high-density utility relocation, logistical hurdles, and complex site coordination. Phase 2 focuses primarily on the Tampurali to Ranau section, spanning about 96 to 98 kilometers. Long-term rollout with completion timelines extending past 2030. Status? Currently locked in design, alignment optimization, and budgeting phases pending final funding commitments. Bandar Malaysia is a massive 486-acre, $140 billion mixed-use urban development project located at the former Sungai Besi Air Base site in Kuala Lumpur. It is planned as a major transit-oriented hub integrating multiple rail links and highways. It is a smart, mixed-use city focused on public transportation. Project ownership, 100% Ministry of Finance.